Move from off-the-shelf to market-ready and get an immediate quote using our Enclosure customization tool. Start by choosing the enclosure you want to customize. Then click on Customize this enclosure. Loading the model might take up to 60 seconds, but once it's ready, you can begin customizing your enclosure. Next, select the color of the enclosure. Our standard colors are black and white, but we also offer custom colors for your enclosure. You can also choose from ABS, ASA, or polycarbonate plastic. If you need a custom resin, please contact us by phone or email. Now let's add a cutout. Choose the shape of the cutout and click on the desired surface. Once a cutout is made, you can adjust the X and Y positions and the size of the cutout by using the slider or by entering values in the provided boxes. The left panel will display the details of the cutout. You can duplicate it, set the spacing, and determine the total number of cutouts needed. For this example, I set the angle to 90 degrees to align the holes vertically. If you want to position the cutouts, you can select the cutout in the left panel to move them to the exact locations on the model's surface. Then simply click Apply to update the model with your changes. You can also add your logo or graphics to the enclosure. To get an accurate price quote, specify the number of colors in your graphic. You can scale, rotate, and reposition the graphic by adjusting the X and Y values. Click Apply to see the updated model. If you want to add text, type in your text in the text box and click Add. You can choose different colors, font styles, and font sizes. Now you can place it on any surface of the model. Move and adjust the text as needed either by using the arrows or entering in values in the boxes below. Remember, the left side panel contains all the information about the cutouts, graphics, and text you've added. Lastly, save and get a quote. You can have the system email a PDF quote to your inbox. But if you are logged into your account, remember, registering is free and you can unsubscribe at any time you want. You can save the quote and the customized model to your dashboard for future reference. Thank you for developing your project with New Age Enclosures.